Hi guys, I'm that baker lady. You may have already seen me on Instagram on some of my creations or heard about my Nailed It adult classes or kid classes. This is my first YouTube video, so go ahead and don't forget to subscribe to watch future videos. Today I'm going to be putting together a Baby Yoda Valentine's Day cake for you guys. So yeah, let's start. We're gonna start with my cake leveler, and I am going to make a couple layers so that I can add my filling to this cake. And I always do 2 layers so that you get a little bit of flavor with each bite. Okay. So I have raspberry filling, and maybe in a future video I will show how I make all my different kind of flavored fillings. So I like to put it in my piping bag so that I know that it's even layers within both of these. When you do it with a knife, sometimes you can't really tell. Okay, so my second layer. And let me know if you guys want to see any other kind of fillings or any other kind of cakes, themes, characters. All right, so there we go. Now I'm gonna put this on top of my turntable so that I can frost it. Don't forget to clean off your edges so that you don't get those crumbs in your cake. No bulk stuff I don't need. All right, so get another piping bag. Fill it up with frosting. And the frosting I use is a vanilla whip. It comes in a cart and I just whip it myself. All right. So again, I use my piping bags so that I can make sure my frosting is even. It's not too thick on one side or maybe too thin where you can see the cake. So just make sure. And again, this is a vanilla whip, not buttercream. All right, so now that my cake is completely frosted, I am going to smooth that out with my cake scraper. I want to make sure to move my turntable, not my hand, because I don't want to take all the frosting off. Let me do boring part. So now I'm just scraping the top. You can see how it's kind of uneven to make a nice smooth surface. Frosting is too warm, so I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is clean my board because I'm done with frosting the cake. Get any of these crumbs into my cake. So I just fold the napkin and work around it. Now I am ready to add my decoration. And I have this little baby yoga sugar sheet that I had printed. It's just a very thin wafer. Peel it right off. I'm just looking for a nice smooth surface to add this little baby Yoda onto. It doesn't look all crooked. But if you do see some imperfections in your frosting, that's fine because we're gonna add tons of sprinkles to cover any of that up and make it look nice. And I'm gonna add my fondant on top, and it's gonna read Yoda 1 for me. If you wanna see a video on how I made this fondant from scratch, don't forget to subscribe and watch that future video. So I'm just gonna add this on top. All right, so there we are, Yoda 1 from me with our little baby Yoda. And now I'm gonna add the sprinkles on. Okay, so I made a little bit of pink frosting with my leftover that I had, and I'm gonna add it to my piping bag. I'm using a 22 tip just to do a little bit of a design on the top. So let's start that. So I'm gonna start right here. And this is just because I feel like it's pretty plain on the top. So I want to add something. Okay. Now it is time for our sprinkles. I'm just gonna add them here and there. This is gonna take forever, by the way. Very tedious, but it looks gorgeous on the cake, so I'm gonna do it. All right, guys, so here is our Baby Yoda Valentine's Day cake. Don't forget to subscribe to watch future videos like this. Please let me know if there's something specific you want to see, or maybe there's a step that you didn't quite catch, and let me know how you guys like it. Thank you.